In this sort, we'll be doing them by the beginning sound and blends. S by itself makes the S sound. T by itself makes the T sound. Put them together and ST blends to make the ST sound. Our pieces are a saw, star, stairs, tiger, stove, soap, tape, stamp, seal, top, sun, stake, tire, tag, and sit. Top, I hear just the T, making it the T group. Seal, I hear the S, making it the S group. Sit, I hear the S, making it the S group. Stove, I hear the ST, which makes it in the ST group. Saw, I hear the S. Star, I hear that ST at the start, making it the ST. Stairs, I also hear the ST at the start to put it in the ST. Tape, I hear the T sound. Tiger, I hear the T sound. Soap, I hear the S sound. Stamp, I hear the ST blend. Sun, I hear the S sound. Tire, I hear the T sound. Stake, I hear the ST sound. And tag, I hear the T sound. So in our S group, we have seal, sit, saw, soap, and sun. In the T group, we have top, tape, tiger, tire, tag. The ST blend, we have stove, star, stairs, stamp, and stake.